Hey, good morning, welcome back to another vlog. It's been a while since I vlogged. I haven't touched the camera for about a week and a half or 2 weeks, apart from yesterday because I recorded a sit down. But that's about to change because today I'm vlogging and I was thinking of going to get soaps. Well, not soaps per se, but the ingredients to make soap. I made soap last time and it came out so well. That was about a month or 2 ago and it's almost finished. So I thought I would go and buy, like literally it's so cheap. It's so cheap to make that soap. So I'm not going back to buy the kawaida soaps that I've been buying. So yeah. And also you're this close because I'm holding you. And today I'm not going to use a tripod because people wonder what exactly I'm doing. So yeah, this camera is quite small, so it's very easy to navigate through with it in town. So I'm going to it's around OTC to get those things, and there are a few things that I need to add, and also pass by Marikiti. Hopefully I'll do all that today, but going to Marikiti to shop, I'm not going to show you that. I'll probably come back at home and show you what I got. But yeah, I need to get those things and especially go and show you maybe where to buy the soap ingredients and how much it's going to be, because the last video I didn't have so much information about those soaps. So today I'm hoping is going to be that day that I take you with me to buy those things and show you exactly where you can get them if you're really interested. But you're going to watch it anyway. If not, just forward if you're not interested. And yeah, so I've actually done everything today. I'm just very simple, normal trousers, normal t-shirts. I have this sweater on which I'm going to remove anyway and then hold it, but I'm going to be in town until June. I don't know how later hours are going to look like because sometimes it's been raining. So yeah, and I have everything that I need in my bag. This is the bag I'm going to carry. I have my papers, I have my water, I have other stuff inside the bag. So yeah, let's go. Guy, and my lips are kind of dry. I haven't had breakfast today in the morning, but I'm hoping when I get to town I'll look for something to eat or just fast the entire day. But I don't feel like I want to fast. I'm kind of hungry because Juicy was I had a very long night. I puked the whole night because I drank so much. My husband took me out that day and then we met up with friends and then took a kunywa. Guy, I came home and started throwing up. I think I had 4 or 5 savannas. My friend, I don't drink that much. Nilikuja kwa nyumba nika puke like everything. The next day, because I think of the hangover, I puked even more. I tried to make something for me to eat. I threw that up as well. That was yesterday now. So since yesterday, I haven't been that great. So yeah, I'm thinking I'll just go and sit in a restaurant and then order something for me to eat. But I'm not quite sure. It could happen, it could not happen. We'll see how the day goes. But right now, I need to go downtown to get those things. So yeah, so let's go do the errands, hopefully together. So I'm in OTC and I'm here looking for the place. Okay, and sorry for the noise, because it's so noisy. So I need to ask around for where to buy. Nahitaji kununua vitu za kutengeneza detergent na software. Kwani unaturecord? Mimi siwa na record. Mimi najirecord. Oh.
Okay.
Oh, na jik.
Okay. Jik ya? Sabun ya? Liters? 20 liters.
Yenye beginners, do you know what 23 liters?
20 liters.
20?
Hata 5 liters tunaweza. There's 5 liters, there's 10 liters, there's 20 liters.
20. Let's do 20.
Okay.
Na
20.
imepanda.
Imeshuka actually.
Hata iko shuka 520. Okay, magic. Magic.
Njiki ya mkorogo ama ya kuongeza maji. Kuna njiki ina mbili. Kuna yenye unaongeza maji peke yake na kuna ile unaenda kuchikoroga. Ya kuongeza maji 10 liters ni 130, 5 liters ni 65. Ya kukoroga 5 liters ni 105, 10 liters ni 170. Karibu sana Kevin.
Yenye unajiongezea maji peke yake ni
130, 10 liters, 65, 5 liters.
Okay. Na hiyo ingine ni yenye unaenda kujichanganyishia. Hiyo ndio
ya mkorogo. Kukoroga ili unasuku for 3 days, chlorine, makandi na koso.
Na hiyo ingine unaweza tumia immediately. Okay, utanipatia hiyo ya 10 liters.
Ya 10 liters ya instant.
Unaongezea maji
9 liters.
So the detergent itself, hiyo solution ni 1 liter. Okay, hiyo ndio nataka. Na
Softener 5 liters ni 400 shillings. Ikiwa na perfume yake na kala kama unataka kala.
Hiyo. Nasema nitangapi?
400. 5 liters
5 liters. Sawa, hiyo.
Nikupe sabuni 5 liters. Jik 10 liters. Sabuni 20 liters.
Softener 5 liters. Jik 10 liters.
So sabuni 20 liters. Okay, so nikupe kala gani, perfume gani?
Mko na kala gani?
Green, blue, purple, yellow, orange, brown.
Blue iko sawa.
Good. Perfume.
Ni gani ziko?
Fruity, flowery, strong, mild.
Nipe flowery.
Lavender hivi.
Lavender iko sawa. Hiyo ni kwa softener.
Soap.
Kwa soap?
Hiyo ni kwa soap na unga. Nataka kwa softener. Acha nilete soap kwanza.
Okay. This side is OTC behind, and this side is where Quick Mart is. Just there, it's Quick Mart supermarket at OTC. So yeah, this is everything I got. I got jik, I got softener, and I got the detergent itself. So yep, I'm happy about it. So right now I'm just going to buy soaps.
Hii maji baridi hii unaona hii najimwagilia hivi na kupika.
So hey guys, I just remembered I never recorded this part of this is everything I need. This is soap. And then we have star soap. So this is everything. Nataka kuziosha. And then finally I have this. It's the star soap. Smells so good. And then I'm cleaning my clothes right now. This is my washing machine, which by the way I need to start cleaning, so I'm gonna tell you how it smells. Hey guys, the lighting is pretty bad, but welcome back to my channel. So today I'm running some errands for my husband, but I'm also gonna go to town because it's raining. And I've come to Mlolongo, some place they sell paints and hardware supermarket limited. That's where I am right now. So there are some things that I have already picked up. They are at the back of the car. I'm gonna show you the paints that I'll take, or the paints that have been bought, because it's not me. I'm just helping out because he's at work. So yeah, and then I'm go to town and see what else to do, because honestly it's late. I wanted to go to Kamukunji, but it's raining, so yeah, I don't know, siko sure. So let's head out because that's what I'm about to do. So I'm here running errands for my hubby, and it's kind of stopped raining, but it's drizzling kidogo. I'm here to pick some paints so that I take to the guys at the site. So let me do that. So I'm currently done with that, I thank God. So now let me go and deliver them on your way to Nyayo Estate, and then head out to town. It's already a few minutes to 11, like about 7 minutes to 11. So I may or may not be able to show you, but if I do, I'm gonna insert the video of me delivering the site where it is, and then head out to town. I was thinking of doing some shopping today, but I'm not so sure if I'm gonna be able to do that because it's raining, and some things that I needed are in Kamukunji. So let's see how the day goes, but I'm hoping that I'll be able to do that. So this is unbelievable. Nimefika huku site na huku akujanyesha hata. Like it's actually sunny. Wow. Hii weather ya huku jameni. Anyways, nimefika site, so let me offload these things so that the fundis come and pick them. And yeah, I'm gonna see you probably in town. But also I have a haul for these neck pieces that I'm wearing and rings. Don't mind this one. So as you see this ring, I got this ring from DUBOIS Road. Very, very nice. I love it. It's actually very gorgeous. It's very small, my kind of rings, very unique, and this quality, I'm praying it doesn't fade, but I was told it's a good one. And then these neck pieces, oh, and the bracelet, see that? I now have a Van Cleef bracelet and necklace. I love this, and this is two-sided. I got this from a shop on DUBOIS Road. I'm gonna leave their number so that you can order from them. And then these are Juping, same as this ring. It's a Juping ring, and yeah, this I got 3 of these so that I can wear them as 3. I didn't wear the other one because I'm wearing this one. It can still I can still wear it this way because there are no rules as to how you're supposed to wear your jewelry. And yeah, I'm loving these pieces. I've had them since last week, but I haven't vlogged or picked up the camera or anything of the sort. But I thought I would show you because they are really gorgeous. Look at that. Wow, I'm now a Van Cleef owner, and this quality doesn't fade. If you know me and my jewelry, you know I love my quality jewelry. Other than that, they were kind of expensive getting them from DUBOIS, because these ones I paid was it 1,500 for the set of this and the bracelet, and then the 3 of these were also ranging at around 1,500 each. Was about 450. So yeah, let me know in the comment section if you're interested. I can leave the details there. And just so you see the sun, look at that, just look at that. It's very sunny here and very hot because wow, yeah. So that's just like a little haul. I'm hoping and praying I'll be able to go to Kamukunji, because I don't know, nikitoka kwa nyumba I was told in town it was raining, so I don't know if it's gonna be raining still. but I'll try to go there. Other than that, I'm also very busy. I haven't replied to so many messages on my phone because I woke up and just started running errands for my husband. So yeah, I'm hoping I'm gonna do all that today and manage to reply these messages today. If not today, I'll do it tomorrow. I'll communicate in the group because I need to update guys every now and then. So I've forgotten to mention that I got gifted a Wi-Fi, a portable Wi-Fi. This is how it looks. It's a mini Wi-Fi, mobile Wi-Fi 3. And yeah, let me show you how it looks. My husband gifted it to me because he knows how much it's gonna come in handy because I'm always online most of the time. So it comes with this portable thingy. You can carry it anywhere you want to go, and then a charger. That's about it. And of course the papers of how to, a manual on how to connect to your phone, but I believe I know how to do that. So yeah, I'm now an owner, but I had one that was for telecom, but I do not know where I kept it. I think it got lost. Anywho's, so cheers. I'm yet to connect it to remove a SIM card because I use fiber, and then place it there, see if it works. But other than that, cheers. Hey guys, so I haven't managed to go to Kamukunji as I was hoping, but tomorrow I have to. Plus I also need this hair to get braided, and I have someone that will be coming tomorrow to braid me in town. I saw her work and she had done a very beautiful job, so I'm hoping tomorrow I'll get my hair done and then rush to Kamukunji because the appointment will be for, is it 2, and I'm hoping she's fast. So yeah, I'm hoping that she'll do this hair, and then I'll show you what I'll be getting. It's not so many things. I need what is it called, an oil jar because mine broke, and I also need containers to put my hand wash that I had made, and hand wash, and what else, and happy cleaner to clean my toilets. So yeah, I'll be showing you that tomorrow, hopefully. I'm hoping it won't rain as today did, because I got the rain is the one that made me not go to Uko, Kamukunji, and then also I'll be going to Marikiti hopefully tomorrow as well. So I'm hoping to do all that at the same time. So cheers, good evening, bye.